welcome to another edition of our online class. And today, we want to go into a brief of smart homes, smart home automation. Before you can actually go into automation, you must understand that planning, you should have some idea, should I say, knowledge of electrical wiring. Because if you don't have that, how would you connect your switch? How are you able to link your switch? Because these are almost like the connection you have for your regular socket or your switch in the house. So you must understand how you can connect this first before going into the automation area. So you must have some knowledge of your electrical wiring, and when you have that, then you can proceed to the automation proper. But here, this is just a switch, and this, I don't have a bulb here for us to test this, but this LED has been connected, this LED POP light has been connected to this, so you can see manually I can switch this on, I can switch it off. Alright? Yes. This is the first part you need to first connect. And when connecting your smart switches, there's one thing I've always advised technicians or electricians to always do, to make sure the neutral is always drawn. Most of our regular sockets we have in our homes, we notice that all you have closer to the switch is just the, should I say, the incomer, yes, that is the one feeding it, and the one going to the load. That is, I'll be showing you a circuit of what we have here. The circuit of this very connection. You'll be seeing it on the screen later on. So you understand what we have here. So while connecting this, you must make sure your neutral is connected. Else, because most of these switches, they are capacitors, but I don't always advise that. If it's a job you're starting off from scratch, all you need to do, make sure your neutral cable is drawn to the position of your switch, right? Because most of the connection we're having in should I say, our regular switches for homes is you don't always have your neutral here. Your neutral is just closer to the load. Where you have your load, it's just at the load. Like for example, the neutral will just be here. It doesn't get to the switch area. But when dealing with smart home, when smart switches, it is ideal you have your neutral drawn to your switch, to the position where you have your switch. I hope that is noted. Then the next thing we need to talk about is connecting this to this. Okay, how is this thing done? Now, for this class for today, I may not be able to show us how we can actually, because it is complex. It's going to take a whole lot, and even over the phone, it might be that should I say, difficult passing most of all this to you. But I'll try as much as possible. Whatever we're going to learn today, we get value for this very class. Now, you'll be seeing this shortly, the slide, how you can connect your switch. I'll be showing you that shortly with a video that will be coming up shortly. Okay, just watch the video that is coming up, and I think you get the whole gist.
Okay, this is what the schematic for the connections actually look like. This is the source, which is mains, the live and the neutral feeding the switch. You notice the live goes into the L of the switch, which is the incomer, that's the input, and the L1 and L2 is the output. This is a two-gang switch, and you can see the neutral is linked. The neutral is connected from the input to the output, so it is all linked together. And that's the load, the lamp, where you have your output which display when the switch is energized. You see the output on the bulb there. So that's just a simple circuit of what how the smart switch is connected. All right.
I want you to know, check something out here. Immediately this switch is powered, you notice this light starts blinking. This lamp that is blinking, this LED that is blinking, shows that the switch is in programming mode. All you need to do, you go to your app. First, you can download the Smart Life app. Alright. After downloading your Smart Life app, you create an account, register your account.
Okay, let's see our connection, the how we link it with our phone. Okay, this is my phone. Scrolling through, navigating. We need to go to the Smart Life app after creating your account, signing in. Now, I need to ensure my Bluetooth is turned on. All right. Then my what's the name? My Wi-Fi is synced with my internet. Right, the router. Okay. So I'm just trying to test my connection to make sure it is connected. Yes, that's fine. Then we can now go to the app, which is the Smart Life. Yes, we'll log in. Okay, these are some other devices connected to this app. These are devices in my home, and now we want to add a new one. So we go to this plus sign at the top right, click on add device. Yes, it takes us here, brings us here. When we get here, you notice it's trying to sync. Then we need to go to electrical and look for switch Wi-Fi. This logo or the symbol switch Wi-Fi. You click on that, then immediately that is clicked on, it takes you to this page to reaffirm your Wi-Fi has been connected, which is yes, and takes you and begin to ask the question, confirm that the lamp is blinking. As at this time, you notice the lamp already on the light is already blinking, and if it's blinking fastly, rapidly, you click rapidly. Then the next stage is for it to sync with that light. So this is the process. Why that one is blinking, and by the time this one gets connected, the light on that switch turns off immediately. It all becomes solid, any of them. So it will no longer blink immediately it's connected. Yes, we're almost there. Yes, the switch is connected now with our app. So you can sync it from here already. The Alexa on my account is already linked with this. So I'll need to change the name to a name that I think might be very easy for me to remember. And what I did there was to use the test. I thought of using the test lamp, but I said no. Let me use the test light. So I changed it to check the test light. So that's why you actually seeing yes, editing it to test light. Then that's done. Click OK, and it's saved to your profile. Yeah, that's how you save it. You add that device to your phone. Yeah, I'm trying to also test it. You see, that's a test light there. You can see it has been added to my profile. I'm just toggling the switch to toggle on and off to see yes when it comes on bright it means the load which is the light is on.
Now that we have successfully added our switch, I can now come to my phone and toggle that switch. Okay, now I can toggle it, right? I can even ask Alexa to switch this thing on.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
That's funny. Okay, Alexa, turn on test light.
Okay,
Alexa, turn off test light.
okay,
Okay, now you understand that this system has been linked with my Alexa, so that's why any of the device I add here, automatically the Alexa takes total control of it. So, and the other thing I mean want to try also, so you see, because right now my room already, this is though it might be my training room also, it is my own room. I have also automated most of the stuff here. Even this TV of mine is automated. I have made it smart such that I can control it, ask Alexa to switch it on and off. So I think I'll just perform that, even my lights. Okay, Alexa, turn off TV.
okay,
That's the TV, it's off. Then I can also my light. Alexa, turn on wall brackets.
okay,
Did you notice the place is somehow brighter now, right? Okay, Alexa, turn off wall brackets.
okay,
Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
okay,
All right. Okay, and I can also ask Alexa, just a moment, please let me see something. Okay, because my bedroom, there are different lights. I have the spotlight. Alexa, turn off spotlight.
Okay.
That's it. If you notice here, most of these lights, the lights here, they are being controlled. You see this one is on, that's the wall bracket. Then I can also tell Alexa, Alexa, turn on test light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
Okay, I think that is on, right? So you see, at the end of the day, we have every of this being controlled. Just so they can be controlled from my phone. I can do every of that. Okay, even from the app, I can do a whole lot from my phone. And try to toggle this. And even from my phone, I can also turn my light off. Notice they are off. So these are some of the things you can also do. And you know what? One thing I have always told some persons is, with the way AI is going, very soon, most people they will lose their job, because at the end of the day, there are some things you just want people in the house to do for you. Maybe, for example, you have an aged mother, you don't want her to stress herself, you just want some things to be done for her. She wants to put on the generator, she wants to maybe put on the AC. She can just sit somewhere, and this can go a long way helping her to perform those tasks. Mind you, we can also switch this on still manually, right? We can switch them on. It doesn't mean if they are being automated, they cannot be bypassed, or where you can come there physically to switch them on and off. And you can also do it via your phone, and you can also do it via the Alexa app. That's it. Sorry. You can schedule your lights, you can schedule your fridge. You know, sometimes it will get to a point where most times you feel your freezer might work for too long. And you can set your switches such that if you get to a particular time at night, even if you are asleep, it should perform the task of switching it off. You can perform this from your phone, and you can also schedule it via your Alexa app. And also, you can also download your Alexa app on your phone to perform most of this operation. So this is a whole lot you can do with this. So this is the level the world is going to. So please, it is important we go with the very trend. I hope you enjoyed today's video, today's class. Please share this video massively, share with friends, share with others, recommend others to like our page, because we'll be coming up with more updates, more videos, which I think you will need even to push you up even to the next level. Till we meet again in our next class. Do have a lovely day. Bye for now.
The Food Tech TV.